Hi everyone, welcome to Math Learning Hub, a hub for everybody who loves math. So I'm Chanya, and today I'll be teaching you how to multiply two-digit numbers that meet the conditions that the tens digits add to 10, while the ones digits are the same. So of course, these are very specific conditions, but they both need to be met for this trick to work. The upside of this trick, however, is that it is a pretty easy trick. So there's two steps. The first one is to multiply your two ones digits, and that's your last two digits. The second is to multiply the tens digits together, and then you add one of the ones digits, and that's going to be your first two digits. So I'm still going to jump in so you can see this trick in action. So I'm going to do the first example, which is 32 times 72. So first you do step one, right? Step one here, multiply your ones digits. Well, my ones digits are here, so my last two digits will be 2 times 2, which is 4, right? It's 4. Now, something I should have specified here is that whenever you're doing step one, you always need to write two digits. Let me write that down real quick. So write two digits in step one. Right, so you always need to write two digits for your last two digits here. So that's why instead of writing 4, I need to write 0, 4. And then next, I'm going to move on to step 2. So for step 2, I need to multiply the tens digits together, right? So I need to first do 3 times 7. I'm going to write that down real quick. So 3 times 7 is 21, so you can see my process. And then you have to add one of the ones digits, right? So that's just basically, you have your product 21, you add your ones digit 2, you get 23. And that's going to be your first two digits. So your answer here should be 2,304. Now moving on to the next problem, right? I'm going to circle this in orange so you know that I'm going to color code which step is which. So for our next problem, 23 times 83. Does it meet the conditions? Yes, it does. So I can just move on to step 1, which is to multiply the ones digits. So that's 3 times 3, which is 9, right? But I have to write two digits for my ones digits. Pardon me, for my last two digits, I need to write two digits. So I'm going to write 0, 9. And then for step 2, I need to multiply my tens digits together. That's 2 times 8 is 16. Then I'm going to add one of my ones digits. So that's going to be 16 plus 3 because I have 3 in my ones places. That's going to be 19. And that's also going to be my first two digits. So my answer here is 1,909. For my final problem, let's just follow these 3 steps again, since we see that indeed it does meet the conditions we need it to. So the last digits are the same, so I'm going to multiply my ones digits so I can get my last two digits. So it's 5 times 5, and I get 25 for my last two digits. Next, I'm going to move on to step 2, where I multiply the tens digits together. That's 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. And then I'm going to add 24 to 5 because 5 is my units digit or ones digit if you prefer. I get 29 by doing this, and this is just going to be my first two digits. So that should be all the examples I'm going to physically do in this video. I've left some practice problems so you can do them and check your answers in the description. Should be really short and easy using this trick. So thank you all so much for watching. If you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe to Math Learning Hub. See you in the next video. Bye!